Hello everyone, I'm delighted to introduce you with Aditya Acharya. He secured a 96th rank, All India 96th rank in CSE 2024.
Sir, I am happy, I am elated, and more than that I am happy seeing my friends, my relatives and especially mentors like you being proud of me and happy at the same time. I think that is more satisfying to me. Hello, my name is Aditya Acharya. I have secured All India rank 96 in Civil Services Examination 2024. I have been a part of ForumIAS for a long time. I was a student of MGP as well as PSIR ATS and AWFG. And they all have been really helpful in my journey to All India rank 96. Starting with prelims, I also was a part of a prelims test series by ForumIAS. They are they give a very real-time simulator experience when it comes to prelims examination. And since I was for last 2 attempts failing in prelims, so this time the prelims test series to a great extent helped me ace the prelims examination and then write for mains. This was my first mains. So MGP to a great extent helped me to model my answers as well as at the same time be cognizant of the time limit in which I have to complete the papers, and they gave me a very real kind of mains-like experience. The model answers that ForumIAS provides, they are very good, and they only expand your knowledge base, and they are very helpful when it comes to mains examination. Coming to PSIR, I have been a part of a foundation program by Amit Pratap Singh sir. He has been very instrumental in my journey. The ATS test series that ForumIAS is providing, and at the same time the AWFG test series that are small but very directed and very precise test, and the model answers, they are very helpful to score good in PSIR. My best wishes to all of the aspirants who are appearing in the upcoming examinations by UPSC. I would like to convey this message only, that consistency and hard work do pays off. Even after quite some failures, if we remain consistent, we stick to basics, we identify our mistakes and work on them, so that will definitely yield us results in long term. The only thing is that we need to be patient and consistent at the same time. Thank you very much.